how did you find the wicket? Was it a purely comfortable one to go for the shots? And was it that the balance there?
I think the wicket was very good to bat on. As you saw, more than 180 scored, 180 runs were scored in both the innings. So it was a typical Sri Lankan wicket. If you bat well and apply yourself, you will get runs here.
Rohit, how frustrating is this? I mean, after scoring, you have made a comeback after a few matches. You didn't get runs in the last Sri Lankan tour, but you did well. You got back your rhythm, and you worked hard. But in the end of the day, we lost the match. I mean, how frustrating is this?
See, talking about the past Sri Lanka tour, it was frustrating. I accept that. I was not in great form. But everyone showed faith in me, which is very encouraging for me. I have certainly worked hard on my batting and my fitness as well. So yes, I think it is showing, and it's not just the end. It's just the start. Long way in the tournament. Unfortunately, things didn't go our way today. 184 was a good target I felt on this track, because I thought there was a little bit help for the spinners. But yeah, it was just one of those days where things didn't come together. We still have got one more day before our actual game on 19th, so we will see how we should come back.
Rohit, as the Indian team heads into the tournament, how big a concern is the form of the openers to give your team a sound partnership in the beginning?
See, it's very important in any format you play. Getting a good start is always important. They've been batting really well. There's no doubt. It's just that I'm sure in the coming games, when the actual tournament starts, they will come good. They've got plenty of experience playing in these conditions. And I feel it's just a matter of one game, and we are right there after that.
Rohit, a lot of people were calling this a warm-up game. How was the Indian team looking at it? Were you all going full tilt?
No, absolutely. It was a warm-up game, but we were actually very focused, and we wanted to win this game. We were quite intense in the field. It's just that, as I said earlier, it's just that our bowling didn't click together, which is little bit of little frustrating, because if you want to win the game, everything has to click together. So I think it's just that our bowlers did a pretty good job in the first game. They defended 145 on that flat track. So I don't want to take any credit from them. They've been bowling really well. I'm sure they're going to come well as the tournament progress.
Last three. Rohit, given the bowling resources that the team has, do you think that batsmen will have to do all the hard work in the tournament, and what could be the safe score that this bowling attack can defend?
At this moment, I cannot say what is the safe score. We have to look at the wicket. We have to look at the condition. We have to look at the opposition as well. And then accordingly plan. I feel you just can't go into the tournament thinking that we should have this much of score and we should defend it. I think we should take game by game, and every game will be very important to how we're going to do it, and and things like that.
Hi Rohit, it's a similar question. The fact that the bowling could not hold the Pakistan team and they were able to chase down 186, is that a concern for the Indian bowling and the Indian team as a whole going into the tournament?
Not at all. I feel, just as I said earlier, just now, it was just one of those bad days, I would say. If you look at the last game against Sri Lanka, we played, bowlers got plenty of wickets. We defended a low score, which was on that track. I feel 145 we got, something like that. So it was not a par score, I feel, on that track. So bowlers defended that. So yes, we had off day today, but I'm sure they're going to come back very hard against Afghanistan, and from there on.
Last two.
Yeah, I have two questions. One is word on Kamran Akmal's batting. The way he took the game away from India. What do you feel about it? And secondly, like your own personal form, you've been going through a bit of a low phase batting wise, and how this thing was it to come back? Did you do anything specifically before this game or before this tour to find your groove?
Yeah, see, after Sri Lanka tour, I got about 25 days. I made full use of it. I was practicing at BKC indoors. I went to NCA for a while, and I worked. Your hard work never stops. You just have to keep working hard, no matter what. If you are in form or you are out of form, you just have to keep working hard, which I've been doing. So yes, I will. Try and see that my role will be important in the team. So I will just try and do as what team wants me to do.
Rohit, how much confidence have these two innings given you? You said the last tour is in the past, but that was a really tough time. So how much confidence have these two innings given you?
Certainly a lot, because these two warm-up games, I wanted to make full use of it, because getting into the tournament with a bad form is not an good way to go in the tournament. And even in Chennai, we played against New Zealand. I didn't got to bat. So these two warm-up games were very important from a personal point of view, and I'm glad that I made full use of it. So I'm just looking forward. I don't want to lose this form. I just want to bat. I don't want to take any pressure also, because I just want to keep myself very calm, free and composed.
Thank you.
Thank you.